I don't know.
Now it's beeping.
I'm different.
Ah!
Did it work?
Stop! I'm trying. Joey.
Yes. There. There. Oh.
Did somebody fart?
Dad? Did we scare you too hard?
Yeah, I'm more worried that somebody may have done some more serious business.
Joey, did you shark your pants?
I did. I need a pen.
Just
Yes, that was my brother and my sister's eating my drink. Ow!
Thought you were helping him with his hiccups.
I was trying. Oh, I got it. Wait, here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Pet the pineapple.
don't anger it.
Don't anger the pineapple. Lick it. Lick it. Lick the pineapple. Oh, I see the problem. It still has a tag. Okay, lick it.
Thanks, Wade.
Yeah, don't lick my hand.
Why?
Ah!
Why are you making him lick a pineapple?
Pineapple arm.
I told you it was going to get infected. That is part of my lunch this week, so don't...
Deeply inhale this candle. Just like
Weird.
no, not
What
like
the
that.
heck?
Here, just grasp it. Firmly grasp it. You have to grasp it.
Firmly grasp it.
You're gonna drop it. Firmly grasp it.
Firmly grasp it.
Come on. You gotta firmly
Alright.
firmly grasp it.
Firmly grasp the candle in one hand and the pineapple in the other.
You dropped the shoes.
Firmly,
Don't drop it.
firmly grasp it.
I can't take it anymore.
Ah!
Joey!
You're killing the pineapple.
Alright.
Joey's just petting the pie.
I know.
Are they gone?
Are they gone, Dad? No.
Oh my
Should we
god.
put this on YouTube?